I've had awful teeth for as long as I can remember. I hadn't been to the dentist for 18 years because the last 3 times I plucked up the courage to go, they just butchered me. In March, I lost one of my front teeth. I just thought, I can't ever leave the house again. I didn't want to see anybody. I didn't like my teeth anyway and I covered them up, but to lose one was huge. When you've had a lifetime of judgment and shaming, you just think that's the norm, and you think that that's how everybody's going to be with you. And I had my assessment down in Leicester with AJ, and within 3 minutes of walking in, I burst into tears. And he was so sweet. They said they wouldn't let me be in pain, and they didn't, and it was amazing. I've never felt so supported in anything medical in all my life, ever.